Keycard activation. Let's take you around and show you inside. Okay, so just opposite the bed we have an LG flat screen TV street. Here's a restaurant area. Some of your dishes and things available there. Saturday weekend roast carvery. Good afternoon from Bangkok, Thailand. So featured in today's video is going to be a hotel accommodation called the Best Western. So I booked myself for a 3-night stay here at the Best Western Sukhumvit. Now this is a hotel only. There's only rooms available here. There's no swimming pool, there's no gym, there's no other facilities. So I'm just going to give you a full room and facility tour here at the Best Western. Now regarding the location of this particular hotel, it's located in the Sukhumvit area of Bangkok, which is city centre. I'm on Soi 20. It's very close proximity to 2 shopping malls, lots of restaurants close by, lots of shops also, nightlife down in the Nana Plaza area. Just has a really premium location here in the city centre of Bangkok. So without any further ado, let's go and get started and share with you the Best Western Sukhumvit Bangkok. Okay, so here's a full front view of the Best Western Sukhumvit 20. The 20 Street restaurant at the front here. So the 20 Street restaurant is at the front of the Best Western here. I shall take you inside of that and show you after. Just go to the main entrance, just the lobby and reception area. So there is car parking down in the back there for cars and motorbikes. Here's the reception area. So as soon as we step foot in, there's the reception desk there. There's a little lobby area here. And just to the side here we have our elevators leading to the rooms. Okay, so just from the elevator now here on the 3rd floor, I'll just give you a view in this direction first floor, which is where most of the rooms are located. And I'm just right next to the elevator room here in the corner. So that's 302, 303 there. And this is my room, 301. Okay, so this is a Superior King room here at the Best Western Sukhumvit Bangkok in 301. Keycard activation. Let's take you around and show you inside. So as soon as we step foot inside the room, we're greeted by 2 single beds joined together. So I presume that's making a king-size bed. We have bedside cabinets either side, bedside reading lights either side, bedside lamps either side also. So we'll just turn to this side first of all and start here. So here's our wardrobe facility area. Just turn up there as well. We have our air conditioning up above there. So just here we have a mini refrigerator. Nice and clean inside of the refrigerator. Only a small refrigerator that. Just up here we have a tray, 2 bottles of water, electric kettle, power point for electric kettle there. Some tea, coffee, sugar, creamer there, 2 cups, 2 spoons, 2 glasses. Just here's our wardrobe facility area. Have a laptop style safety deposit box there. Some shelving. We have a sliding door also. Let's just zoom in here. So it's a sliding door. So just in the top there we have a metal rail featuring a big collection of wooden coat hangers there. Plenty of space inside of there. And then just down by the side of the bed we have a bedside cabinet. Pull out drawer here, telephone, light switches there, a reading light, this is movable, lamp by the side of the bed also. So just from a lamp there we have like a leather material headboard on the back of the bed. Just moving down to the bed, immaculately clean bed sheets, very nice fragrance as well coming from the bed sheets. Okay, so just opposite the bed we have an LG flat screen TV. I shall advise whether there's international channels or what's available on the TV. Wi-Fi is also provided. Have a cabinet underneath the TV. Foldable area for our suitcases there. Nice carpet as well on the floor here. So it's an LG flat screen TV, reasonably good sized TV. Some power sockets down below there. It's a glass top on the cabinet, wooden cabinet. And just in the corner there we have a desk stroke dressing table area. Beautiful leather chair here. Very nice that. Metal frame, smooth top, not sure what the finish is. Waste basket down below there. Yeah, I'm not sure what it is. Plug sockets there. Telephone point, tissue box. Big mirror as well there. Standing lamp in the corner there. Okay, so we have a huge window with a street view down below there, or looking into another building, should I say. There's nets and curtains that pull across the window. There's a view of your room with the curtains drawn across. Okay, so let's move to the other side of the bed now. So just on this side we have a nice soft cushion seating, little chair there, pillow on that also. There's another bedside cabinet, another pull-out drawer again, metal legs on the cabinet. It's an LG TV remote there. Doesn't look as though it's a smart TV. Some information there. Another bedside reading light again here. Another one up there. Again, consistency in the bed, immaculately clean bedding. Okay, so just making our way back to the door where we entered the room now. We're going to go into the bathroom, so that's the door straight ahead there. We'll come to that in a moment. So just here we have, this is the door for the bathroom. There's a glass mirror, full-length mirror on the door. You just slide it across so you can see. So that closes off for your bathroom there. Just before we take you in the bathroom, we shall just show you here. So you have vented air conditioning as well up here. There's a reverse of a door, a lock on the door, another lock there, and a key card activation. Floor plan there also on the door. Not sure what's behind that one there, maybe nothing. And then here's a bathroom. So we're going to walk in the bathroom. So right in this far corner here we have a toilet. Towel mat on the toilet, also with bum wash in the side there. Toilet roll holders on the wall there. Just up above the toilet we have a metal towel rack rail. Two different sized towels. And then just to the right of the door as we entered is our wash basin. So you have a huge mirror there, light in either side. Not sure whether it's a granite type finish around the sink. Just here we have a tray, cotton pads, shower cap, some hand wash there, two glasses also. You can ask for things from the reception desk there. As inside the wash basin, nice and clean inside there. A little bit of tarnishing on the fixtures and fittings, but nothing too drastic. All the mirrors nice and clean. Just here we have a hairdryer. Plug socket on the side there as well. Some switches and things there. And then just turning around we have a glass enclosed shower cubicle. Towel rail on the door of the shower cubicle. Stepping inside the shower here we have a handheld shower. A little bit of tarnishing on the fixtures and fittings. Quite old actually. Shampoo, conditioner and body wash there in the dispensers. Nice and clean in the base of the shower there. And I just forgot we have a waste basket in the corner there. And there's a bathroom. So here's the Best Western 20 Street restaurant at the front here. So there it is, Best Western Sukhumvit 20 Street. Here's a restaurant area. Okay, so just from the Best Western now we're going to make our way up the street and just take you to the main road. So So directly across the street here you do have a tailor. You also have an ATM machine as well. Just on the same side we have our first restaurant right next door to the Best Western. Bangkok's best, #1. Some of your dishes and things available there. Saturday weekend roast carvery. There's a seating area. Deck Bangkok. Just continue walking. It's a nice breakfast for you if you want to have breakfast away from the Best Western. 160 baht. So just here we have another restaurant, Crispy Wine Bar Restaurant, GM Estate, Hotel and Executive Apartments. Just show you the restaurant name up here now. Every Saturday, 50% off. There's the name of the restaurant. Some of the dishes available. Steak, seafood, pizza, pasta. Just across the street there we have the Courtyard by Marriott. Very nice, impressive looking hotel that. Always usually are, the Courtyard by Marriott. Just continue walking. A place called 21 there attached to the Courtyard by Marriott. Looks like a coffee shop restaurant. Have the Bangkok here. Some nice looking desserts there. Very nice seating areas. Salon, barber, massage. Money exchange there also. So there's the 21, looks like a coffee shop attached to the Courtyard by Marriott. Just coming up now we have a collection of, oh no, not quite, have another restaurant here, Alicia. Nice looking place that. Chang beer there. Flashback rooftop bar. Everything's very, very beautiful here in Bangkok. All class. A collection of restaurants here. Sourdough pizza. Lob's Lobster. Burgers. Happy hour cocktails. There's the different restaurants. Side by side, one's in the back there, we can't see it because of the truck. This is a place called Sports on 21. Very, very busy this of an evening time. Not too busy now during the day, but last night I was walking past and it's very, very busy, that place. Sports on 20. That's what's going on here, breakfast, lunch and dinner. A collection of all the local food carts now. Some of these are locked up at the moment. However, during the night there's quite a collection along the street here. I haven't personally sampled any of the food myself. Lots of them along there. I'm going to cut across the street now. Every hotel, some hotel accommodation down the side street there. A little jewellery shop here. Big clearance sale. The tailors here. I have a suit made. Some massage and spas here. More massage and spas next door again here. Taxi here. Here we are, we've arrived at the main street. So just a short walk, a massage spa on the end here. It's a short walk and you arrived at the main street. Heading this direction to Terminal 21 shopping mall, just a few hundred metres down the road. Lots of restaurants, shops and things on the street here. The Radisson Blue across the street, the Carlton also across the street there. Okay, so that concludes today's video, my 3-night stay here at the Best Western Sukhumvit Soi 20 Bangkok. So what are my final thoughts? So I stayed in a Superior King room type. I shall start with the bed. So it was a huge bed, super comfortable bed, nice and clean bed sheets also. Bedside cabinets either side the bed. However, it was lacking. It didn't have plug sockets on either side the bed. So you had to charge your phone over on the dressing table area. So the desk dressing table area, nice and spacious over there. Also great working area with the laptop that. Had satellite TV on the TV. That doesn't bother me in the slightest because I don't watch TV. Just a few international channels provided. Wi-Fi, very good Wi-Fi, or reasonably good Wi-Fi. Was a little bit of occasions where there was no Wi-Fi, but all in all, it was okay, the Wi-Fi here. Air conditioning, super cool air conditioning, no issues whatsoever with the aircon. Rest of the room had everything you'd expect from a Best Western hotel and pretty much what's provided in all other hotels. Bathroom, nice bathroom facility, good spacious bathroom. Good water pressure, plenty of hot water, no issues whatsoever in the bathroom. Toiletries aren't provided in the room, however you just have to ask at reception if you want additional toiletries other than the two little things that are provided in the bathroom already. Now regarding location of this hotel, this is premium location. It's city centre, Sukhumvit Soi 20, close proximity to three shopping malls, many restaurants. On the street itself of Soi 20 is quite a few restaurants. As you get up to the main street, many more restaurants, lots of shopping. It's just a really, really premium location. So on that note, hopefully you've enjoyed today's video. Hope some of you find this video useful. Maybe want to give consideration to the Best Western if you're looking for a city centre Bangkok stay. And I shall say bye for now.